default Bookworm Pop 64 ISO puppylinux comes with a very interesting streaming radio application. So let me just show you. So I can just go ahead and go to radio. Simple GTK radio is called. So when you just launch it, of course you can get to the application from the menu exactly the same. You just go down to multimedia, and so here's GTK radio. So once you start it, you'll see this. The first thing probably you should do is just go to preferences and get or update stations list. You just simply click it and you say you want to yes, continue, and give it a couple seconds, and then list is uploaded. So then okay, and then we'll go ahead and start it again, close, and then start it again with the radio, and then here it is. So I noticed that so let's go down to the fourth one here. Let's go to jazz, smooth jazz, and then let's see if it plays. It says playing, but there's no sound. Even after you click the play button, there's no sound. So it doesn't work. And there are several of them it does not work. So what you can do then is that you can go ahead and edit this list by going to Edit Stations tab, and then click, and this is simply a text file. So for example, I'll just go ahead and erase everything except for the blues that works. So I'll just go ahead and delete, save, and then we'll go ahead and close again, and then restart it again. And here now you only have one blues, which is what I wanted. So next, let's say you want to add some stations, and I like jazz, so we'll just go ahead and smooth jazz, see what pops up, and then enter, and there's several stations that pops up. So here's smooth jazz, yes, US. Well, let's just go ahead and go to Switzerland, see what happens. We'll just go ahead and double click, and then let's see if it plays. So it plays fine. Now we want to add this, so you simply go to add current stream to playlist. We'll just add it, and then this is Switzerland, so jazz Switzerland, and then add to default list, and then we'll go ahead and save it, and then let's just go ahead and close again. Let's restart it to see if it's updated. And here it is. There's Ardberg Blues, and there's Switzerland, but there's a blank space. So let's just go ahead and take a look at it here. And there's we don't want the blank space here. And then we also want a little so I noticed that it added this here, and we'll just go ahead and close all this, and we just simply want to start with the Bay Smooth Jazz Festival. Okay, and then close again, and then start the radio again. Now it looks better, and we'll just double click just to make sure. Now it's playing, so stop. Okay, so that's how you can build up a list here of the stations that you want. Now the application only comes with the Bookworm Pop 64 that ISO in a puppylinux. So, but you can certainly get the program by, and I'll leave a link to this here, and you can get a slightly older program which seems to work fine. You just go to this page, and I'll leave a link to the under description, and just download this pet file and just simply click to install the program, and you should have exactly what I've shown you on your Puppy Linux.